We're now going to customize the Google form. So this first step is to change the name of the form and the title. So I'll go up to the top where the name of the form is and change it to my campus name. And then within the form itself, I'm going to change the campus and personalize it and enter my campus name again. Now we need to enter the approver email addresses. So I'm going to scroll down to the approver email question, and I will enter the approver email or emails of your administrators. Please be sure to check for typos in the email address itself. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to click out of it, and you should see confirm that these are the email addresses for the approvers. The next step is to set up the response destination in your Google Sheet. So we'll go to the top tab and click on Responses. I'm going to click on the green Google Sheets icon, and then be sure to select Create a New Spreadsheet with the title. So I can see that it's green here on the check, and then I click Create. Now that I have a corresponding Google Sheet that correlates to my Google form, I'm going to send the Google form and share it. So I'll toggle back to the Google form, go to the Send button, and inside the Send button, in the To field, I'm going to enter websupport@pisd.edu and then click Send. This will deliver the form to the web support team where they can make a tile for your campus. If you are an admin department, you should be able to make a tiny URL for this Google form. You will not need to email web support if you have a tiny URL.